YouTube, yes. Right, okay, we've got something really, really exciting that we're starting today. I know that a lot of you follow me for motivational videos and things like that, but what I thought would be really, really cool, because I'm getting so many messages now on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, people asking me, you know, like what I do, how I stay so motivated and all that sort of stuff. And I thought, you know, it's all well and good me doing these motivational videos and telling you what to do, but I thought it'd be really cool if I sort of show you how I do it as well. So, that being said, we're starting a vlog. We're jumping on the vlog bandwagon. We're gonna call it Day to Day.
It's all about happiness, baby. What makes you happy? What makes you tick?
We're pretty much at ground level, to be honest. I just thought it'd be really, really cool, maybe give you guys some inspiration and some ideas to see if it's something you want to do as well. This is episode 1. I've just come straight from my run actually, because I had to let some builders in that are doing some work. We are right now in Einstein's new office. We're not working here at the moment. We actually got the lease on the place in April, which is when this whole COVID-19 thing started out. So it wasn't ideal because we obviously went into lockdown. So it's taken a long time to sort of get everything ready. But as you can see, just from looking around here, it's coming together nicely. So let me give you a little tour. But listen, look, if you want motivational videos every single week, plus keeping track of my journey, building this company over the next couple of years, then please subscribe, all right? I'll bring you really good content, I promise. Subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment as well and ask me any questions you want to ask, and I'll promise I'll get back to you. Right, let's take a look around. So first of all, this is the lobby area, if you like, when you first walk into Einstein HQ. On the wall, you see all of these things here. These are actually our company values, all right? This is what Einstein Marketer, my company, we're a marketing agency, for those of you guys don't know. We help small businesses generate leads and generate sales, all right? We don't help big companies, massive companies like, you know, Budweiser and Coca-Cola and all these guys that have got a ton of money to spend. We help the little guy, all right? We help people that really, really need it when they first start business. They need leads, they need sales, and that's exactly what we specialize in. So these are our company values. Right here where I'm standing now, we've ordered a pool table, a customized pool table that will be here in a little while. It's got our logo right in the middle of it, and it's going right here. So we're gonna have loads of fun in this office playing pool. I'm sure in one of the vlogs you'll get to see us have a few games. Welcome to the lab. This is what we call in the office, the lab. As you can see, we had that sort of mural made. All of this, by the way, was just one big empty shell. In the war, this was a torpedo factory. How sick is that, right? It's a really, really cool building, but it was all empty. So we've had this mezzanine built. Everything you see here, apart from the bricks, basically, we've put in. This is one thing we had built here, because we do a lot of filming, as you guys know. This is a little studio that we've had made, so we can create you guys loads of content and things like that, but also for our clients as well. Our clients can come in here, come down, and we can actually film them, do some ads for them and promote their products and services and all that sort of stuff. So that's a cool little room. Before I take you upstairs, let me just show you down here, some more company values on the wall. This is one of those artificial green walls that we've had to put up because it was a bit cold in here, right? It was a little bit sort of cold because of, you know, white bricks. I wanted some life in here. I wanted some plants. So we got this artificial green wall that looks really, really cool. And then we got this amazing Einstein Marketer sign made up as well, which lights up. That's pretty sick. If you come down here, quickly show you around. Toilets, obviously, kitchen. And if you come down here, a little bit of a mess at the moment, obviously. Again, we're not in yet. This is where the sales team's going to go. So at the moment, I've only got 2 sales guys. And we were in a tiny office before, literally like a shoebox. Got a cool vending machine. I'm actually getting this branded a Pepsi one because I'm a little bit of a geek and I loved the film Big when I was growing up. And there's a scene in it where Tom Hanks gets his own apartment and he has a Pepsi vending machine. Ever since I've seen that, I've always wanted a Pepsi vending machine. Total waste of money really, but hey ho. It's got protein bars in there though. Let me take you upstairs. This is effectively going to be like the main office area, if you like. This is where I'm going to be. So this is my seat here. Boom. I haven't got an office secluded from my team. I like being with my team. I like being around them. You know, they give me inspiration, give me ideas. I like working really closely with them. This is Billy Bones' desk, the guy that's holding the camera, the sexy git that's going to be editing these vlogs for us. That's his desk. Charlie, Kyle, who run my ads, Josh, Helen, my PA, sit there. Again, more company values. We're turning this today, this wall's being turned into a whiteboard. So just a big white space. I love having a big white space where I can just write my ideas down. So that's going to be awesome for us. You know, if I get an idea, I can just come here and write out, draw out a business plan, business model for someone. That's going to be really, really cool. So again, still in its early stages, but it's getting there slowly but surely. And this is upstairs at the front. This is effectively going to be our conference / training room. All right, again, more big company values all over the wall. We've just had these sockets fitted, so the floor's being refitted at the moment. I'm getting this big custom-made conference table. I can't wait to see it. It's going to be awesome. It comes in a few weeks. I'll make sure I show you when it comes, but that's going in the middle there. And then today, I basically got one of these signs made. These sort of stick out off of the wall. And this is going up there like that. So when we come back later, this will actually be on the wall. We'll pop back down the office later in this episode. We'll pop back down and I'll show you what it looks like. And then this is basically where we're going to do a lot of, like, this is where we'll do our podcast. This is where we'll do some of the YouTube motivational content that we do, and the rants that I go on will all be filmed up here. And that's it. So it's getting there, slowly but surely. But I'll keep you in the loop on it, on the progress of it, as and when it comes. But for now, I've now got to go back, get a shower, because I was late for my run this morning, so I had to come straight here after a run. I'm gonna get a shower, get dressed. I've got a shitload of work to do. Back at my house now, in lockdown. It's not my birthday. It was my mum's birthday yesterday, and we threw a little surprise party for her. But this is my lockdown. This is my lockdown area. The kitchen table, the good old kitchen table. So it's not really ideal, especially for filming. The lighting is probably a bit bad, but this has been me for the last 3 months. This has been where I've been running my business, managing all my staff, dealing with all my problems, and this is where the magic happens at the moment, basically. Until we're in the office in a couple of weeks. We'll hopefully be in the office in a couple of weeks. And this is me, coffee, water, laptop, phone. That's all I need, baby. We're probably coming up to the 3rd year of trading in our business now, so you know, still a lot of in the trenches work for a CEO like me to be doing, entrepreneur like me to be doing. So you'll see me on the phone a hell of a lot. Most of my days spent here, just on the phone, dealing with problems, helping my staff deal with problems, helping clients, and all that sort of stuff. What I want to do is give you guys an understanding of, you know, what I do to live the life I live, right? I live a really good life. I'm pretty free most of the time. I can pretty much do whatever I want as long as I get my stuff done, all right? I'm not always having fun, although I definitely like to have fun. I make sure all of the work's getting done first, make sure everything's set up, because that's my responsibility. And I wanted to give just you guys just a better understanding of what I do. You know, I think in a lot of my videos that you guys watch, my motivational type videos, I always talk about finding something you love to do, right? Finding that thing. For me, it's business and marketing especially, right? Marketing is my passion. I love it. I love being able to get people to a place where they then can buy something. But more importantly, I like doing that for other people. So that's why my route to freedom, if you like, my happiness, I find, is a marketing agency, because in my marketing agency, that's what I do for people. People come to me, businesses come to me, and I'm able to help them make a lot more money and get a lot better results doing what they do, all right? And that's massively gratifying to me. I love doing it. I think a lot of freedom that I talk about does come from running your own business. And I know for a fact a lot of you guys watching probably have got your own business, or you want to run your own business. So I wanted to do these vlogs because I think it'll be massively valuable for you guys, because you'll pick up a load of stuff that you can use in your business. Real tactical stuff, not wishy-washy stuff like, you know, get on TikTok and get on fucking social media you're in front of millions of people and all that bollocks. I'm talking about real tactical advice, how to generate leads into your business, to generate sales, to generate cash, to generate that financial freedom that you need. And I just got a really good feeling that you're going to enjoy these vlogs, all right? Some of them, it might seem boring at times, but along the way, you're going to pick up the occasional nugget. Like when I'm giving advice to clients, when I'm giving and training my team, you're going to pick up stuff that you could potentially use. The funnel that we've got is making you a great return on investment now anyway. You can see what we do works. You know, why don't you just get us to do it? You paid us $5,000 for, you've already made 15 grand from it in month one.
Yeah, exactly. And the more he spends, the more he makes, the more we make too. So it's both of us, everyone's win-win.
It's a win-win.
Okay, mate. Yeah, beautiful, mate. No, I've got a call going to him right now, so I'll keep you posted if you want to know.
All right, yeah, let me know.
Yeah, all right,
brother. Cheers. Another little addition to the office. Like the other day, we had all these big signs put in for our company values. Upstairs, just had that bad boy put on the wall. Boom! That's just got finished today. So that's going to be conference table. And then that's going to be the shop for like a lot of the stuff we do. You probably recognise that from the old videos we used to do, but it was a lot smaller. It was about that big. Also, don't judge me on my flip-flops and sock combo. I had to quickly rush out, and I've got to quickly rush back as well. I've literally got like 15 minutes to get back, and then I've got a Facebook Live interview with some company that wants to interview me. So I just quickly had to chuck them on. I'm not normally the slider and socks kind of guy, you know. Yeah, that looks sick though, doesn't it? That looks bad. And that sort of voice started whispering inside me, and that's when I started getting into like wanting to do something more. I knew at that stage that, all right, this job's okay now, but I do want to do something more. So I'm gonna start investing in myself and learning things so that I can do something different. You know, that's when I started reading books, listening to Tony. That's when I first found like Tony Robbins and all his audios. And well, it's a funny story. I've told this a couple of times. I remember in the factory, it was very, very noisy, and we used to have to wear these earplugs, right? And you had to wear them because it was very, very loud. If you got caught without your earplugs in, you'd get like a verbal warning or whatever. And I can remember getting Tony Robbins, and I wanted to use these 12-hour shifts that I was working, like, for something good. So what I did was I painted my iPod. At the time we didn't even have iPhones, it was iPods. I had iPods, headphones, the white ones, and I painted them blue and orange so that from a distance, the foreman walked past, he'd think I had my earplugs in, but I didn't. I was actually listening to Tony Robbins, and I would do that for 12 hours straight, and I'd listen to that stuff constantly, and I'd read loads of books, because a lot of the time in the factory you're just monitoring a machine, right? There's a bit of work to do, but for the most part you're just standing around making sure nothing goes wrong. So I'd stand at my desk and at my station, and I'd be reading books, and I'd start doing all of this sort of stuff, and it was then when I realised that I wanted to get into sales, and that was the sort of my first jump into a more corporate-y type life, if you like, was an entrepreneurial type life. All these books I read that always kept going, like Tony Robbins, Richard Branson, all these guys kept saying this one thing. It's one most valuable skill you can ever learn in life if you want to be wealthy and you want to be financially free and have a business and all this stuff, is how to sell. And I thought, well, that's interesting that they're all saying this. So I then made it a passion of mine to start studying selling as well. So I started reading tons of books, old school guys, Zig Ziglar, Tom Hopkins. Right, that's it guys. That's episode 1 of Day to Day, the first vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that's added a little bit more variety to my channel, so you're not just seeing the motivational sort of stuff. Hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments if you liked it. Let me know any questions you've got or any other content you'd like me to do. And also subscribe if you want to see more. It really means a lot to me that you're watching these videos. Peace out.